Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these tasty and easy coconut candy balls. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredient, you're going to need 3 cups of desiccated coconuts. You can use a fresh one or you can buy them at supermarkets. You're also going to need 1.5 cup of condensed milk. You're also going to need extra 1/2 cup of desiccated that you're going to use at the end. Then lastly, you're going to need 3 different types of food coloring, an orange one, a red one, and a green one. So the first step, start by pouring 1.5 cup of condensed milk in the desiccated coconuts, and you're going to mix these 2 ingredients very well until well combined. Once you get to see your coconut mixture is well combined that you can able to roll a ball, then your coconut mixture is ready. So the next step, I'm going to divide the coconut mixture into 4 portions so I can able to decorate them with different colors. Once I'm done, in one portion, I'm going to add 2 to 3 drops of orange food coloring and I'm going to combine very well. On the remaining 2 portion, I'm going to add 2 to 3 drops of red color and the other one 2 to 3 drops of green color, and the last one will remain the same. Then afterwards, you're going to mix them very well. There we go, our desiccated coconut is ready. As you can see in the video, we have a green one, an orange one, a white one, and lastly the red one. Afterwards, you're going to apply some oil into your hands so it can be easier to roll them into balls. Then take a small portion and roll them into a small medium ball. Once you have a smooth coconut ball like this, then lastly cut them into the desiccated coconuts. Repeat the same process till you're done. And my medium coconut balls are ready as you can see in the video, and it's high time to cut them into the desiccated coconuts. Once you're done rolling all the balls, cut them with the desiccated coconut and arrange them on a plate. And my tasty coconut candy balls are ready as you can see in the video, and enjoy your coconut balls. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.